I'm Katie Palmer. I joined MongoDB in 2022, and I lead our global customer success function. CS is truly at the center of the MongoDB growth story. Our CSMs are uniquely positioned to usher our customers through their journey, from onboarding through value realization, consumption, to continuous adoption of leveraging MongoDB for their ongoing projects and applications. MongoDB is uniquely positioned for success over the next 2 to 3 years. Our greatest strength and our opportunity is that we have a core part of the technology stack. Second, we are really benefiting from our customers' digital transformation efforts, which will continue to be top of mind for them in the years to come as they position their own companies to take advantage of the AI revolution. Lastly, every application needs a database, and MongoDB's document model is well positioned for developers to build powerful AI applications. We have over 50,000 customers, ranging from day one startups to Fortune 100 companies. And simply put, developers love our products. We also benefit from a massive addressable market remaining, which is growing day by day. The opportunities to grow within MongoDB are fueled by this amazing market opportunity, creating career paths both within CS and in adjacent functions like solution architecture or sales. What keeps me at MongoDB? Most of all, MongoDB is a place where I feel like I can show up as my true, authentic self every day. Next is having the opportunity to build a customer success team that sets the standard for what great looks like in a consumption SaaS go-to-market organization. And last, but certainly not least, is the depth to which a commitment to development is embedded in the MongoDB culture. I've grown more in my time here than all of my past roles combined, and that's something I hear commonly from employees across the company. Our executives truly believe that customer success will play a key role in our ability to achieve our near, mid, and long-term goals as a company. Great products that customers love, the ability to make a true impact, unmatched career potential, and a place to be your authentic self, it's here.